Welcome back to Silky News. Today we have bad news. It snowed.
No.
Yes, you heard me right. It snowed, and we all know nothing good comes from snow water, always frozen, cold, white stuff on the ground. No spots to take a sun bath, and worst of all, the snow gets in my hair. I mean, our feathers, ha ha ha. Anyway, we have a reporter out in the cold to show us the weather.
Look, there is cold white stuff everywhere. It's so gross. Where did the sun go?
Help.
What's that sound?
Anyone help me. The cold white stuff trapped me here. I need to make a run for it.
Yum, this snow is good.
What are you doing?
Nothing.
Okay, anyway, where is Dragon? Her phone is ringing.
I think she went in the house.
Okay.
Who is calling me? Hey girl, have you seen this weather? Yummy and my ex moved to this 5-star hotel with heating and free food. Your screen is laggy. What's going on? It's the weather. It's freezing. Hooray, I'm going to get a hotel. See ya. Bye, talk to you later. Ugh, my car has a cold stuff on it. Okay, all done. Time to go. Finally here. Look at this place. It's so cool. The end.